Welcome to Zentagra. In this video, we'll show you how we helped a manufacturing client automate and optimize their vendor management process using Zoho Creator. Now let's get into the topic. Before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss valuable business insights. The company faced typical challenges. Quote requests were handled manually, communication with vendors was slow, data was scattered, and there was no clear view of pricing history across vendors. Our goal was simple: build a centralized system to automate vendor requests, track quotes in real time, and help managers make faster, informed decisions. Zoho Creator was the ideal choice. It allowed us to quickly create a custom app without writing code, while ensuring seamless scalability and integration with their other Zoho tools. We implemented automated quote generation, a vendor response portal, a live price comparison dashboard, and a layered approval workflow that kept things moving without bottlenecks. The results were remarkable. Quote turnaround time dropped by 60%, vendor response rates improved, and procurement teams had accurate, real-time data at their fingertips. The client's procurement lead shared that managing vendors has never been this fast, simple, or reliable. This project highlights how manufacturing businesses can save time and gain control through smart automation. And Zoho Creator makes that transformation seamless. If you're facing similar vendor management issues, we'd love to help. Visit Zentagra.com or book a free consultation to explore a custom solution built for your business.